Hello friends, I am Prabal Sarkar and today I'll be sharing my story with you. My story of learning English from a village. Yes, I'm from a village in India, a very small village I think, and I faced a lot of difficulties in the initial stages, but somehow I managed, and today I can speak a little bit of English. So I will be telling my story and I'll be giving you advice and tips how you can easily learn English. So at first, I will be sharing my story. From small, I wanted to speak in English, but I didn't get the right circumstances because in my area there was no one to teach me how to speak English. But I had a great determination in myself that somehow I have to speak in English. I was admitted into private school in my childhood, and the problem there was that the teachers didn't know how to speak in English. So that was a problem. And at class 6, I was admitted into government school, and there also speaking in English was a rare thing. So in the early stage of my life, I knew that I had to learn English by myself. So what I did was I love to watch English news, English commentary, English videos, and everything that I get to see in English. So what I did was I I always visited my shop where there is a computer, and I always watched many YouTube videos. I watched many YouTube videos just in English, and by listening, I developed. So I just kept listening English stuff. So it helped me a lot because it increased my vocabulary and it helped me in many ways. So after listening, I used to try speaking English by myself in front of a mirror because I didn't have the confidence to speak up to other people. So at first I practiced by my own, and I kept listening much more English. So listening helped me a lot, and after that, by practicing, I developed it, and gained the confidence to speak in front of people, and somehow I managed to speak in English, and now I am a fluent speaker. So I want you to realize that by just translating in English you can't learn English, because if you remember when you started speaking mother tongue, do you remember, were there any grammar teacher for you or any language teacher for you? No, you learned by your own, by just listening to your circumstances, your father, your mother, your family, your friends, and the people around you. So this is how you learn a language. At first you just listen, and in your brain the words are coming and processing, and this is a scientific description, but I'll not go into that. But I can say that by listening you can improve a lot. At first you have to listen stuffs in English. It will be so uncomfortable for you to listen to English for a long time, but as you know that comfort zone is the best place to be in, but in comfort zone nothing grows. So if you want to grow that, then you have to face uncomfortability. So at first you have to listen many more English stuffs. So you can watch a movie in English or something with subtitles, and after that without subtitles. So there are many processes to learn English, and the best one is to listen English, and it's the only one I think, because without listening and practicing, like, you have to listen, and after that you have to speak up with confidence, because without confidence you can't improve in English. So no matter how much you listen, but if you don't speak up, it's worthless. So you have to speak up. I don't know how much correct you will be at first, but you have to speak up anyway, because you have to express yourself in English, and that's the main thing. If I know it will take some days, but I guarantee you that if you practice expressing yourself in English, after a few days you will see the improvement. But the main thing is that I'm saying it again and again, that you have to listen English, and if you don't know when you are listening in English, if you don't know the meaning of a word, then write it down or search it, uh, get its meaning. But if you keep up watching more English stuffs, then it will work like magic. So that was all for today, and make me a promise that you will soon learn English by my advice that just listen English and express everything you want to in English. That's all.